Well, Kev, it's fair to say we have been looking forward to representing our vendors here for some time and this wonderful family home located in Wheelers Hill.
Absolutely, and it's a corner allotment in a quiet court.
So Kev, here we sit in this magnificent family home, all on split level, in the movie room here. What do we feel like? A bit of Netflix and chill?
Ooh, a little bit of action, a little bit of comedy, a little bit of romance perhaps?
Or a little bit of naughty comedy.
So Jason, what about the popcorn?
Don't worry about that, Kev. I haven't forgotten. You can be sure of that.
So Kev, it doesn't get any better than enjoying a nice cold ale after the old Netflix and chill. What about the weekends? There's nothing better than...
Just sitting around here and having a great old laugh.
Absolutely, Kev. Weekends, magic.
There's nothing like a hot spa in winter.
Absolutely, Kev, or a cool dip in the pool in the summer, Kev.
So folks, if it's extra storage you're looking for, otherwise more car parking space that's off the streets, we look forward to seeing you here
At number 151 Plum Lum Road in Wheelers Hill.
Haven't forgotten about the popcorn, Kev. Don't worry about that.
Okay, and how about the popcorn, Jason?
Haven't forgotten about that, Kevy.